You asked, how to divide 4325 by 2 using the long division method. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 2162 remainder 1.